If you're looking for a true small town Main Street feel, top-rated schools, historic charm, without paying Princeton prices, Pennington Borough deserves a very serious look. It's one of the smallest municipalities in Mercer County, if not the state, but it offers something that's becoming increasingly rare, a true walkable small town lifestyle. So welcome to the Wilton Report. I'm Josh Wilton, and I co-own and run the #1 boutique real estate company here in Central New Jersey, Princeton Realty. And we have helped thousands of people buy and sell real estate, and we use that experience to help you make smarter decisions. By the end of this video, you'll understand the biggest advantages, the biggest trade-offs, and whether Pennington actually fits your lifestyle. So let's start with a quick snapshot. So at any given point in Pennington, there's generally only 9 to 15 total homes on the market. That includes single family, that includes condos, that includes adult living. Part of the master plan is allowing for more redevelopment. So you will see some redevelopment happening in Pennington. But overall, like if you're looking at a snapshot in time, you may only see 9 to 15, maybe 20 houses for sale in Pennington at any given time. So the snapshot of the demographics of Pennington, there's only about 2,800 residents. The median sold price is $800,000. The average sold price is $958,000, right? So as of today, like I said, there's only 15 homes for sale. The average days on market today is 30 days. And the vibe, it's just a walkable, small town, charming little place. It's got a very vibrant private school, the Pennington School, right on the cusp of the downtown. It's got a lot of privately owned shops and stores. It's just a super cute place that's like lost in time. So pro number one of the greatest things about Pennington is that it's a walkable downtown, right? It's one of the few towns in Mercer County where if you're living in the borough, you can leave your car at home and walk to town. There's coffee shops, restaurants, boutiques, all around the historic Main Street. The majority of the neighborhoods in Pennington Borough are within walking distance of downtown, parks, and all the community events they run there. So it's got like that classic small town lifestyle that's becoming very difficult to find. And I would say increasingly challenging to find from an affordability perspective. Schools. So the Hopewell Valley Regional School District, we've done another episode on the schools. I'll post to that in the link. It's a top rated school district, right? And the high school for the Pennington Borough is Hopewell Valley. So they have Bear Tavern, Timberlane, the Pennington School, which is one of New Jersey's oldest and most prestigious private schools, is right downtown. So again, it's just this nice combination of like community, walkability, charm, and schools. Pro number 3, I think it's the historic charm. The streets, they're all tree lined. You have a combination of colonial and Victorian homes. You're really just about 20 minutes from Princeton, 20 minutes from New Hope. You have access to I-95, 295, Route 31. It has access to parks and trails. So there's Lawrenceville Hopewell Trail, there's Sourland Mountains, you have Hopewell Valley Vineyard. So you have all these green spaces that surround the borough of Pennington. So you have this like bucolic small town feel, and you're only 45 minutes from Philadelphia, an hour and change from New York City. So here's what serious buyers need to understand before moving there. Small town, limited inventory. So it's only 1 square mile. Like I said, there's only at any given point, let's say 10 to 20 homes on the market in Pennington Borough. So buyers often have fewer options and they may wait months for the right property. When the right home does become available, obviously you want to be ready to go, being pre-approved, et cetera, is a major advantage. But again, you're not going to have dozens of homes to choose from in Pennington Borough. It's like, that's it. So reality number 2, the historic home bill, as I call it, right? So historic homes, these tend to be older homes and they require more maintenance. It just is what it is. You have more mortgages, you have aging utilities, you have more ongoing maintenance as a buyer in an older home in Pennington. So you're buying character and craftsmanship, but you're probably spending a little more time and money maintaining it than you would for a townhouse in the Westminster train station district. Just is what it is. So again, as a buyer, you want to budget for upkeep. You want to budget for maintenance. When you're looking to buy in Pennington, obviously, you want a very thorough home inspection. Reality number 3, despite the walkability of the downtown, you're commuting by car, period. So Pennington does not have its own New Jersey Transit train station. If you're commuting, you're going to go to Trenton, Hamilton, Princeton Junction, and you're going to get the train to New York City. You'll get the train to Philadelphia. If you're driving to Philly, you can probably be in Center City in about 45 to 50 minutes. Manhattan, it's going to be an hour and a half. Like, it's a little bit of a schlep to get to Manhattan from Pennington. People do it, especially with remote work happening, but it's a little bit of a hike from New York. Very easy to Philadelphia. So again, Pennington is not trying to be Princeton, right? It's its own hamlet. It's just lost in time. It's really a charming town. It's not trying to be the fastest growing suburb in New Jersey. As a matter of fact, we did a piece on their master plan, and I thought it was probably one of the most thought out, community involved master plans for growth of any town in Mercer County. It's a really interesting dynamic how they govern the town. So it's a place people choose because they value community over convenience, character, I'd say, over more of a cookie cutter type neighborhood. And it's a slower pace of life compared to perhaps Princeton, right? Which just has a busier buzz to it. So if you're trying to decide whether Pennington is the right fit for you and or your family, reach out to me. My contact information is below. And if you want honest advice about buying and selling in Mercer County, just hit subscribe. I'm Josh Wilton. This is the Wilton Report, and I'll see you on the next one.